Is it time to buy or sell KULR Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into KULR Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of June 2025, our system has identified KULR Technology Group as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.87. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, showing a decline of 20.64% thus far. This equates to an average decrease of 6.88% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likely continuation of this rise. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of around 26.39% over the next 3 months, with potential returns fluctuating between negative 78.23% and 64.58%. On a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis points to an anticipated change of approximately 42.15%. According to our assessments, the stock's performance could vary from negative 77.95% to 83.89% within the next year. In practical terms, this would translate to a future price anticipated to fall between $1.14 and $9.54. Our latest daily update for KULR Technology Group includes the headline, Volatile Ride for KULR Technology Group Inc., stock price on Thursday moving between $4.85 and $6.29. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 26th of June 2025, the KULR Technology Group Inc. stock price decreased by 0.384%, dropping from $5.21 to $5.19. This marks the third consecutive day of decline for the stock. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a remarkable fluctuation of 29.66%, reaching a day low of $4.85 and a day high of $6.29. While the price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, it has still increased by 315.2% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive indicator, as volume typically aligns with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 4 million shares, with a total of 4 million shares exchanged for approximately $21.44 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $6.82, while the lowest price was 20 cents. Currently, the price is 23.90%, or $1.63, below the 52-week high of $6.82, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. KULR Technology Group has been experiencing significant volatility recently. On the 16th of June, the stock plummeted by over 21%, marking a drastic decrease in its market value. This decline follows a broader trend where key stocks, including KULR, moved lower amidst mixed market reactions. In a notable strategic move, KULR announced a 1-for-8 reverse stock split set to take effect on the 23rd of June, aiming to consolidate its market position. On another positive note, KULR is scheduled to join the prestigious Russell 3000 index after the market opens on the 30th of June. This inclusion could attract new institutional investors, as funds often benchmark against the Russell indices, thus enhancing liquidity and potentially stabilizing the stock price in the long term. KULR's recent decisions to expand its Bitcoin holdings, now totaling 800 Bitcoin, indicate a focus on diversifying assets in a volatile cryptocurrency market, which aligns with the company's sustainable energy management goals. However, the financial landscape remains overshadowed by disappointing quarterly results, where both revenue and profitability fell significantly short of expectations. This, combined with a substantial share dilution strategy to fund Bitcoin acquisitions, may weigh heavily on investor confidence. In the short term, These factors suggest a challenging environment for stock price recovery, while the long-term outlook may hinge on successful strategic execution and market conditions as KULR positions itself within the growing energy and cryptocurrency sectors. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned KULR a buy rating, accompanied by an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned KULR Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have deemed the stock to be a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for KULR Technology Group. The KULR Technology Group Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average surpasses the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $3.73 and $1.74. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, June 23, 2025, and thus far, it has experienced a decline of 22.42%. Additional declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for KULR Technology Group. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $1.44 between its high and low, representing a change of 29.66%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 21.90%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for KULR Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often influenced by factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios might suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -2 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly affect stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for KULR Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for KULR Technology Group is at $5.21. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for KULR Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th of June 2025, Yamamoto J. Koichi conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 6th of June 2025, Yamamoto J. Koichi again conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 6th of June 2025, Schwartz Aaron I conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 23rd of May 2025, Mo Michael conducted an insider sale of 92,448 shares of common stock. On the 31st of March 2025, Cantor Sean conducted an insider sale of 99,857 shares of common stock. Based on the 73 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 62.608. Overall, insiders purchased 21,844,801 shares and sold 9,420,584 shares in the last 73 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.90, reflecting a decline of 5.5%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which indicates a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is KULR Technology Group stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for KULR Technology Group Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 27th of June, we anticipate KULR Technology Group to open higher by approximately 254 ten-thousandths of a dollar, starting trading at $5.44. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.